Hi guys, it's the Trap King here. And we have the Slime King. Fast and can deal a lot of damage. Now in this tutorial, you can win that. No hit. Just fight it. So, what do you need is bow and arrows, 29 or 30 rope. It really doesn't matter. So what you have to do is go up here, and there we go. I have 29 rope, and just shoot. It's gonna die. You can use any bow, so wooden bow all the way to, well, tsunami or something. You can use any arrows from wooden arrow to like hellfire arrow, you know. And 28 rope. That's it. There's nothing else to it. Now, my NPCs are gonna die. Look, it's gonna teleport. It can't because I'm the rope. So pretty much I'm unbeatable now. He can't reach me. I'm up here. He's down there, and I'm just shooting him with this lag. Look, tries, doesn't succeed. So if you want to see the whole battle, just watch. I'm not gonna talk much, and yeah, enjoy or go try to see yourself. Also, you do not need this stuff here. You can just take it off. Just these two stuff and that rope I just built. The arena for Slime King is literally that rope right there. Now, the longer he is there, the tinier the hitboxes get, so it's gonna be a bit annoying. Also, subscribe and like for more tutorials. If this gets a lot of views and likes, I'll make after Cthulhu probably next. Now what is great about this tactic is you don't need any skills or anything. You can just be the worst gamer ever and beat it too. It just cannot do anything to you. So no matter how bad you are, it's not gonna be a challenge. It's pretty much free loot for the next boss, which, King Slime doesn't give that much loot, I'd say. And any second now, it's gonna die. 39 HP. Boom. Dead. So let's just shoot the little ones straight up. Well, I guess we could just die to get them home. I'll do this. Yellow. There we go. Items. No, please. These are mod items, they're not supposed to come there. Ouch. Set me free. There we go. This little slime, it's harder to get out of there than to fight the boss. So what is your prize? Just some gel, of course. I don't know how to spell it. Lesser healing potions and the treasure bag. Boom. And look at that. You made a bow, arrows, and rope, and you get this one, which just does nothing. You can have this one, which you can make slime blocks out of this. So, stuff like that. You got the ninja shirt, which actually gives you 4 defense, 15% throwing damage, 2 defense and throwing velocity. That might be modded. I'm just telling you. It might not even give anything, but at least it looks cool. You get this one if you're an expert, which slimes become friendly. Pretty handy. And you can get something like this. Now in the next tutorial you will need this. I think you can beat Eye of Cthulhu with only this saddle. So So thanks for watching, hopefully that helped. See you later.